viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the refusal of applicants inside the recruitment module of Odoo 18. So at any point of the recruitment, there might be reasons for us to refuse certain applicants. So that's possible here inside the recruitment module. And you can't simply refuse anyone, you have to specify a proper reason for that. So here using the recruitment module, you can actually configure refuse reasons as well. So let me teach you how both of them are done. So let's move on to the video and see how it works. So now let's see how the refusing of applicants in Odoo recruitment takes place. So you can basically refuse applicants at any point during the recruitment process. So to refuse an applicant, what you have to do is first of all go to the recruitment. So here is the recruitment. And you can see all applications under which you have to choose all applications. Okay. So, or even you have another option where you can go to applications and open applications by job position. Okay. So if you click on job position, what happens is that application corresponding to each of the job position will be seen, or else you have the like the area where you can see all the applications at once. Okay. So if you open one, here you have a lot of applications which are in initial qualification stage. I'm choosing this one, and here you have the button which is to refuse. Okay, so you can simply click refuse, and this button is located at the top of the the applicant's card. Okay, so just click on the refuse and let's see what happens. So here comes a wizard with a lot of refuse reasons. Okay, so you will be having different templates. So if it's like refused by applicant for salary, job fit, does not fit the job already fulfilled, duplicate, spam, a lot of reasons are here. So you can select the reason. So after clicking refuse, a pop-up appears where you can choose a reason. Okay, so this will automatically select the corresponding email template as well. So I am just putting does not fit the job requirements. So it automatically have chosen the sent mail and all. That is, the template is automatically chosen. Okay. So once you are done with it, what you have to do is click on refuse. So you can basically customize the reasons also. So I'll just cancel this from here. Now, if you go to the configuration, you have this refuse reasons. So open that, and from here you can customize it. So you can easily create a new reason or modify an existing one. So you should basically keep the reasons short and concise and link each reason to a specific email template. So click on new, create a template. So if you put it on new, here you have the option to choose a template. So you have to link the reason towards a template. So here, if you just take a look, you have spam, where it has a template which is refuse. So now if you go back to the all applications, just open one, click on refuse. So here you have the new one. So if you click on new one also, no email template is chosen. That's the reason. The reason behind it is because we have never chosen any template corresponding to that. Okay. So from the refuse reasons page, you can create a new email template or edit existing one. And then you can use dynamic placeholders for personalized emails to see the email templates documentation. So you can check it for more details. Okay. So you can do the, configuration of refuse reasons like that. And then the sending of the refusal email comes. So first of all, the applicant's email address is automatically filled, right? So if you click on refuse and choose a reason, so here you have the applicant's email address, which is automatically there, and also the email template. Okay, so if you want to choose a different email template if needed, that is possible. Okay, from here you can choose a different one. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the refuse, which is to confirm it. Okay, so click refuse in the pop-up window, and this will send the email and marks the applicants as refused on their card. So just clicking on refuse, and this is marked as refused. Okay. So this is how simply you can use this refusal of the applicants. So you can simply click on the drop down in the search bar and select refused under the filter section. So going back to the applications, so here you can see refused. Okay, so the refused one. will come here. See, you have all these people who are coming under refused one. So, by using the filter refused, you can easily filter the refused applicants as well. So yeah guys, that's it. So that's how easily you can configure the refusal of the applicants as well as the refuse reasons. So I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.